Massive pump for ICP. Let's check it out, guys. What are the critical levels for ICP here? As you can see, almost 32% rip just today for ICP, hitting that $12.33. So let's jump right into the charts here. As you can see, this is the range that we've been in for the last quarter of this year. We ripped above this quarterly range of this year and have been making some strides to upper levels, but we are hitting some level of resistance here with a monthly horizontal level of $12.22. We are also reaching on this weekly, this is the weekly chart, we are also reaching overbought on chart prime. Also market cipher, momentum wave kind of slowing down here, could be having a retracement. RSI kind of up, VWAP heading on the way down, money flow kind of red here. So I do foresee some resistance at this $12.25 give or take area. If we do overtake this area, though, the next level is, let me fix this here real quick. The next area is $15.14 will be the next big level of resistance between $12.40 and $15 will be the next level of resistance here. This would put us into the range of Q1 2022, where we are going to be seeing the value area low being that $15, the point of control all the way up to $20 per ICP. But if we are able to retake those levels of this point of control, right, $20 to $21 is going to be some resistance here, as we have another level pointed out at 21, practically 21, $20.90. The 12-month horizontal up here along lines up with the value area high of $24. This range here is going to be massive for ICP, but first we must break this $12.30, give or take. If not, I foresee us heading back. So let's jump down to the daily here. As you can see, a little bit more bullish news on the daily. That was just on the weekly. So on the daily, when we broke out of this value area high for this quarter of 2023, this last quarter, we created a bit of a double bottom here. As you can see, we went up, created a little bit of a bottom, created another bottom, and we blasted off, broke the neckline here of resistance, and now are testing this level of $12. We could be seeing some retracement here. I mean, the daily has pulled down with the chart prime and market cipher, Green's dot, VWAP still on the way up. So the daily still looking bullish, even though the weekly is looking very overbought. So could be saying that we could be pulling out in the longer term, but in the short term, things can stay very irrational, right? Because what's happening here? This is the end of the year. It's the 30th of December. We're about to hit 2024. What's coming next? The Bitcoin ETFs, right? January, the first week of January is Bitcoin ETF week. We're all waiting that pending approval. If that comes in now, we could see these altcoins become completely irrational and see a massive pump in the markets, propelling, as I can show you guys here, propelling ICP to way further levels of $15. ICP, as we've looked here in the past, the last month or so, right, it's only up 170%. This last month, as the other altcoins have been pumping, but overall, ICP has been very suppressed in general, like most of the altcoins, but specifically because of the FTX drama that it was connected to. ICP has lost a lot of, not credibility, but just people have been feeling a certain type of way, right? The sentiment of ICP is that there's no way it's going to make it a comeback, but the technology speaks for itself. ICP is massively ahead of time in its technology when it comes to blockchain interoperability, fast, cheap, like it's just crazy over there. So if you haven't been looking at ICP, I definitely recommend you guys take a closer look, do some more research on it. Not telling you to buy right now. Obviously, we just have a 32% pump today, and obviously are coming up off a 200% pump almost in the last month. Could it be more irrational? Could it continue pumping? Of course it can. But I would say wait for a pullback. Wait for some level of retracement before starting to dollar cost average. If you haven't already been dollar cost averaging, if you have, it's been great, right? Because if you've been dollar cost averaging down here at $3, $4, $5, this is a massive win for you guys right now. Massive win, up over 196%. So congratulations to all the ICP holders out there. Smash those likes, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what other altcoins you want me to check out and give you some critical levels on. So until next time,